What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with the Homemade Entrepreneur. Today I want to show you how you can earn money on Instagram without posting. Yes, it's 100% true. No, I'm not gonna lie. You can make money on Instagram without ever posting a single post, video, or anything on Instagram. Okay, it is possible, and I'm gonna show you how to do that in today's video. Now, I've shown you how to create posts in bulk and sell them to people as a service, and you get paid very well for it. I've shown you how to create videos, viral videos, and sell those to people as well. I've also shown you how to create a profile picture and create different types of media and content like that and sell that in bulk as well, and you make some great money. Today, I want to show you something that I haven't really talked about a lot before. Now, this is something where we're going to offer another service, and for you guys, it's free to sign up, okay? I'm gonna give you a link down in the description box below. It's gonna be a free 7-day trial. You can check this out, okay? And you can start making money today by doing this one thing. So if you're ready, let's go. All right, so what I wanna do is I wanna show you how to make money with Instagram without posting. You can see here on mine, okay? I don't do a lot of this, but you can see here, well, if I clicked on this one, this was done March 28th. So 3 weeks ago, 4 weeks ago, something like that. I don't post on Instagram that often. The reason why is because I found it more effective, okay? If you don't have a huge following, it's more effective to sell a service. Now, what I want to show you today is how you can offer something. It's called Builderall, okay? Now, I'll give you, there's a 7-day free trial. You can get it down below, but don't go anywhere. Let me show you why you need the 7-day free trial, okay? Because you can sign up as a Builderall affiliate, and you can promote this service to people, and you can make money. But it's much more effective if you can actually create the pages yourself. That's why you need Builderall, okay? So here's what we do. I have found a pretty much untapped niche, okay? Untapped market. And I'm gonna give it to you, okay? The reason why I'm gonna give it to you is, number one, I've had a lot of success from it. I'm making some great money. And if you guys wanna go ahead and kind of piggyback off my success, go for it, okay? Now, the reason why I'm going to give you this is because, number one, I found that a lot of people struggle to find that first initial, client. And, client. They're technically a client, but really, you'll see. Just a second. So, what it is, it's called H2O at home, okay? It's called H2O at home. This is it's kind of a multi-level marketing, company, MLM, network marketing company. You sign up, you get a bunch of people sign up underneath you, you make a little bit of their profits, and obviously you make more money. Now, here's the cool part. So they have some pretty good products. It's something that I have purchased. I have a decent amount of stuff myself, but they have all this cool stuff, okay? And the majority of the people that, when I say majority, I'm saying like 99.9% of people do not promote this stuff the right way. Look at this. So let's just click on this one. This is a cool little spongy thing. Cleans stuff very well. Okay. H2O at home ink. Let's click on that. Okay. H2O at home ink. I don't know if that's the actual person. Look, they have a YouTube channel. Okay, cool. So here's what you gotta understand. We go to the YouTube channel because that's their only link. Click on videos. So what we're going to do is, once we're at the YouTube channel, okay, here's the thing. The link right here shouldn't go to YouTube. This should be going to a landing page, just like something like this, okay? And this is what we're going to build. This is what we're going to do. We're going to build a landing page for this person and then offer it to them for free. If they like it, they can have it, okay? And all we're going to do is we're just going to send this to them, okay? Going to give it to them. And as long as they're a member, okay, as long as they're a paying member for Builderall, we would end up making, I think it's like 40%, okay, of their monthly payment, which is an incredible way to make money. This is an incredible way to make a passive income with Instagram. All right, so here we are back on this page, H2O at home Inc. I have no clue if that's the actual page or not, but look here. Let's where's H2O at home spotlight laundry routine. Let's click on that. Okay, I'm going to click on that. The reason why is I want to see if there's a different page. I want to see if it takes you to a different page. So look here, they have no page that they're sending you to. Okay, maybe this is the actual company. I have no clue. Let's go try a different one. Let's go back. Okay, let's see, what's this one? At Home France. Let's try to pick something else. Let's go this one. Okay, so right here, look at this. Let me show you this really quick. H2O office, okay, or H2 office. So this is her website, okay. Now we're not going to translate, we're not doing any of that stuff, but what I want you to understand is the majority of people that land on this page, they're going to read through some of the stuff and they're not going to know what to do, okay. I wish it was in English so it could be a little bit easier, but let's see. Again, I haven't done this part already, so I'm kind of walking you through it. This is something that I do, yes, but haven't done this exact thing right here. So I have no clue what any of these people are doing. Okay. Here's one right here. Okay. No link. We could offer this person something. Okay. Let's see. Let's go a different one. Because a lot of these people have nothing. These people are actually using the product to clean. Okay, cool. Right here. Let's see. Okay. This one should be in English. Look, it takes you to their rep site. Look at this site. Okay. If I were to land on this site, for one, I think this header is all off. Okay. Okay, great. She gives her phone number, her email address. Awesome, cool. But is this really a great way to get people into the door? No. Okay. If you're promoting stuff on, cleaning, obviously you want to promote stuff on cleaning. You want to get somebody into the door. Okay. Now, the best way to do it, in my opinion, one of the things that I found works really well is this storefront funnel right here. Okay. Let me show you what it looks like. So this is just the basic one. We can go and edit this whole thing, and I'm going to show you how to do that in just a second. But down here, okay, this is the storefront right down here. And the cool part is they have all this stuff where you can add a picture of the product, and it can say view item or contact me for more information. And you can actually send them messages through Facebook or send them emails. There's a lot of stuff you can do. So if I go to edit that, let me show you really quick kind of what we can do. Okay, so we can get rid of where it said like your logo here. We can, so this thing right here, once it pops up. But one of the things we can do is we can get rid of this. Okay, we can go and delete that. Okay, so there, we delete that. We can move everything up if we wanted to. Move all this stuff up. Okay, maybe we want to add another heading or something right here. Move all this stuff up. We can change it around if we wanted to. There's a lot of stuff we can do, okay? But the best part about this storefront, okay, is this site right here. Okay, great. Do you want to know more about her parties, or you want to know more about, her products? What we can do is right here, okay, learn more about H2O products here. Okay, and then they can view the item down here, or view item. Okay, and so we'd actually change this. Okay, we can change this, change the text right here, and see products here, right there, confirm. Okay, see products here, and we have a link, we have images of our product. Okay, so maybe we take well, this website's pretty bad. Okay, explore our products. Maybe we come down here and we find some different products, and then when they click on that button, it takes them to this page. But again, this whole website, in my opinion, absolutely sucks. Okay, but we can do that right here through this page, through this little funnel. An additional thing we can do, okay, if we wanted to, I could come up here and let's say I want to take this one right here, this lead magnet. Okay, let's say I want to edit this one. The reason why I'm saying this, we could edit this one, change the whole layout of it, is because we could do something like this. Okay, let me show you. Get your 10% off discount here. Just enter your name and email. Look how easy this is. Come click. do you want a discount code for 10% off? Input your name and email, and I will send it to you instantly. Okay? Got to use that as. Move that up. Perfect. There we go. Then we can change the picture. We can add, get your. Oh, we haven't configured that yet. One of the things we can do is we can change the button. Get your discount now. Okay, confirm. There we go. Get your discount now. Can change this little logo down here at the bottom. Delete it. All right. So there's a lot of stuff we can do. Okay, and we can make the best part about this is we can make it completely unique to this person's style, her personality. But all we have to do, okay, and the easy part on Instagram. Grab your phone, get your phone out, and go to H2O at home. Go to, let's see, another Innovative Nutrition's another one. Herbalife is another one. There's so many. Beachbody is another one. Okay, there's so many network marketers out there that are struggling to make money simply because they're using. Where's it at? Where's this thing? They're using the website, this crap that the companies give them. And seriously, it's a horrible website. In my opinion, it's a horrible website. So if somebody's really going to come here and, do you think they're going to buy something? Probably not. The way this company works is they create parties and they go around to people's houses and they clean their couches and they clean their stove and their ovens and they show people how the products work. But that's not creating a passive income. That's no way going to make you extremely rich. The way you're going to make money and the way they're going to make money is by creating some type of website, okay? Taking one of these templates right here, okay? Building a business online where people can come in, enter their name, email address, and get all the information to creating their own business, or get all the information for the products that they recommend. Because honestly, something like this, okay, and you have all the products here, and it goes directly to the buy page. So let's say home care. Let's click on that one. Okay, let's say, personal care. We'll click there. Okay, shop now. I have no clue how this. Shop with one of my current parties easily. Don't have a party you'd like to shop? No problem. Let's start shopping. Okay, shop alone. This is a lot of work just to get to this page. Okay, so let's say I take this product right here, this little foamer. This is the one I want. Cool. So now, instead of them going through all those steps, all they have to do is land on this page. They see the little foamer right here. They click on the button, and then they go to this page. They can buy the product. So no reason to jump around in this horrible looking website when you can go right to the product, right to the main page, your landing page right here, and create something that people are willing to look at. It looks professional. This does not look professional to me. Okay? Now, I don't have now all my websites are not 100% professional looking, but they look better than this one. Okay? That's all I want you guys to understand is this right here does not work. Okay? This works. This one works. This one where you offer a discount, a 10% discount. Okay, and then you send it to them, and then inside that email, which if you have Builderall, okay, you get something called Mailing Boss right here, the Mailing Boss autoresponder, which means you can send out emails. Okay, you have the autoresponder. You can send out emails daily, and it doesn't cost you a penny more than what it costs to have the Builderall plan. All right. So this right here, let me just show you. 7-day free trial. Down at the very bottom of the screen or of the website, you can see the different packages right here. Now, the one that you're mostly going to be selling is the digital marketing plan. So for every one of these you sell, you get about $13 and it's like $13.50 or something. You get right about $13 to $14 for every one of these you sell. But here's the cool part. Every month that they're a member, you get paid. Okay? The first month, you get paid, I think, like $28.90. You almost get the 100% of this. Okay? Every subsequent month, you get paid 40%. So you get paid like 13 something. Okay? Now this one, if you want to do exactly what I'm telling you to do, and go around and find people and promote this, okay, what I'd recommend is, for one, you need this one because you have to be able to create the different plan or different the different sites and the templates and change it all up for them, then transfer it to them, okay? But if you really want to know more about the business, you can upgrade to this one, I guess. I'm not sure really what the difference is because you don't need to do the Builder All business in order to make money from it. All you need is this one, okay? It's absolutely free. To be an affiliate, the only difference is you need the product to do what I'm showing you how to do, and that is create the different pages for them so that they can take this page, plug it right into their website right here. So no more are they coming to this site, okay? Because we don't want somebody coming to this site. We want somebody landing on this one where they can actually buy a product and be, it's actually, your eyes actually flow right to the product because you see, oh, there's not much there. Okay, we'll go down. Oh, there's the product. Wow. That's how simple it is, and that's exactly what I'm doing, okay? This is the template that I'm using to promote it, okay, and to offer other services. Now, here's the cool thing. Maybe somebody wants you to create a website because this one just isn't working for them, okay? One of the things that I've been doing a lot lately is I've been creating little sites like this, okay? And some people like it, some people want changes, some people want all this stuff done, a completely redone site. And so instead of selling them this, I go and sell them a full service where instead of I just create things like this, what I do then is I charge them $500 to do a full site, and it usually comes with 5 different pages, and that doesn't include a privacy policy and stuff like that. So it's 5 different pages, it's $500, I create the full site for them, but then I put them back on one of these platforms where I still remain or still get money every single month as long as they're a paying customer. And that's a great way to make money on Instagram without ever posting and without really selling. All we're doing is offering a service to people. So the way we do it, because I know you're probably wondering, how do I get in front of this person? Well, the best way to do it, well, for one, she gives you her phone number and her email. I would send her an email. I would not call. I would send her an email first and see, would there be a good time that we can, talk on the phone, and I want to explain how I could help you with your H2O at home business. Okay, like I said, we can do the same thing for Herbalife, for Beachbody, for Innovative Nutrition. There's so many out there. Okay, maybe you're a Mary Kay salesman or whatever those makeup things are. I have no clue. But this works on any business. It doesn't matter. All right. One of the things I get asked all the time is, does this really work? Can you make money on Instagram? And yes, you can. It does work. It is possible, but you have to put in the work. If you're not willing to put in the work and you don't want to do any of the effort that is required to make money doing this, then you're never going to make any money. It doesn't matter what you do. It doesn't matter what kind of job you're working at right now. If you don't put in the work, you don't put in the effort, you're going to get fired. You're not going to make any money. This does work. You can do it on Instagram. You can do it on Pinterest. You can do it over on Facebook. You can do it on Twitter. You can do it on YouTube. It doesn't matter what platform you are on or your client is on. You can make money, they can make money, and everybody's happy. It's a win-win for everybody. So if you guys have any questions on this strategy, on this step-by-step tutorial that I kind of walked you through, let me know. You can always ask your questions down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you smash that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't done so already. Also, click that notification bell so you don't miss any more of my videos, and I'll see you guys on the next one.